Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Code Commute. I am Suvam. Today I'm going to start with again problem solving in Python. So today we'll solve compare the triplets. Let's see what the problem. So there is given Eliza and Bob each created one problem for HackerRank. A reviewer rates the two challenge, awarding point on a scale from 1 to 100 for three categories: problem, clarity, originality, and difficulty. So we define the ratings for Eli's challenge to be triplet A equal to A0, A1, A2, and the rating for Bob challenge is B0, B1, and B2. So your task is to find their comparison point: A0 with B0, A1 with B1, A2 with B2. So if AI greater than BI, then Alice is awarded 1 point. If AI less than BI, then Bob is awarded 1 point. If AI equal to BI, then neither person receive a point. It means if Alice have greater value with Bob, then Alice is awarded 1 point. If Bob have greater value than Alice, then Bob will be awarded 1 point. If both have same value, then 0 will be awarded. Okay, let's get started, and make sure the output will be in the array. So return an array of two integers. So let's get started. So here is given A and B are two array. So first we will define Alice equal to 0 and Bob equal to 0. Okay, then we will find the length of A. So for I in range 0 to L, so if AI greater than BI, then Li is plus equal to 1. L if AI less than BI, then Bob plus equal to 1. Else means it will come equal. So Li is plus equal to 0, Bob plus equal to 0, and then make a score list and enter the Li's and Bob. Let's return the score. Now let's run the code. You can see it's passed the compile successfully. Now let's see. So it's passed all the test cases. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and in next tutorial we will solve another hackering problem with Python. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.